So this is the base of that Kitchari diet, or in the Panchakarma, this Kitchari diet that we use. The base is really basmati rice. I don't have basmati rice, but this one's jasmine rice. This family farm, Lundberg, is a very clean rice brand, and their arsenic level is very low, and they have organic options. You want to soak your rice overnight to make sure the anti-nutrients are removed. You want to wash it several times in filtered water before cooking it. Yellow mung dal, I buy it from Banyan. Banyan is a very old Ayurvedic company, and they are experts in Ayurvedic products. Kitchari spice, where you can find the recipe in the back of the packet, and it tells you exactly how much of each of these ingredients you need to add. Ghee is clarified butter that you remove the allergens. You want to make sure your ghee is pasture raised, and how I know it's pasture raised, the color should be orangish, not yellowish, and that tells me this has high beta carotene, high butyric acid, which is the food for the gut lining. It has high pentadecanoic acid, which is the food for the brain. You use your ghee and add your spice to it, and you have to soak both your beans and your rice. All the grains we always soak overnight to reduce the anti-nutrients. We rinse with the filtered water many times, and then we cook. This is our base, and then as we go through this 10-day diet, we add different things. We add easy to digest vegetables like pumpkins and squash and green beans and carrots, and then at the very end we can actually start adding cooked fruits. During the diet you have these two type of tea. CCF this one is cumin, coriander, fennel. This is digestive aid and a very mild detox. Also from Banyan, I would buy Banyan Botanical. Hing Bastak, this one's actually delicious. You have this one teaspoon in your hot water in the morning on empty stomach. It's a digestive and it helps with the bowel movement, and it's delicious spice. I actually add it to my kitchari as we go through the 10-day diet, and I can show you in other videos how to actually make these. I just wanted to introduce you to the diet, which is profound in changing a lot of physical and emotional aspects of a human being.